For me, EuroPython means community, friendship and learning.
For me, EuroPython means sharing, community and networking.
To me, EuroPython means community, passion, and learning.
For me, EuroPython means everybody is here.
For me, EuroPython is fun, it's energizing and it's stimulating.
Python is community, for sure, diversity and future.
New Python memories.
Opportunities, community and future.
EuroPython means essentials, community and fun.
For me, EuroPython is about meeting cool people, doing cool projects.